This is how you get ray gun for new people in Animal Company. Come on, let's go.
And also for the new update if you guys don't know how.
Yeah. Let's go. Oh. Dude, you almost launched me. You launched me like way more far. Okay.
Wait, we need to get flashlight.
I already have one.
Oh, you do? I don't.
Come on. I swear, if I die, so just be aware of there's a like fish that doesn't like light. So just be aware and oh yeah. So like you gotta like careful. I'm just gonna go like this. Cause like I have the flashlight. I almost got hooked. It's like, just be aware of that thing. Beware. So like, just be aware of that thing. As you see, it's trying to chase someone.
It's trying to chase me.
Where is it?
I freaking died by the freaking monster.
Damn, that sucks to come back. Let's just get started. So this one, you gotta go here. Anyway, and you gotta go through each door and stuff. So like, if you have a flashlight and like a girl pops up, then like it's a ghost that you can't look at and it'll kill you. These rooms are very risky, but if it has stuff, just and that's a bomb. Oh, did you just do that? Yeah, as you see, I'm not going somewhere. You see, so like, you gotta go in like these rooms and stuff. It's very easy.
Oh, what is it sound?
And by the way, do not step on the landmines. What? Not moving. What's that? Don't step on that thing from me. Okay. Yeah. So basically, you will gotta go here. And then jump down, put it in. And then you gotta, oh.
It's fine. We don't need a flashlight.
I'm just gonna go down here. This should start happening. If you want, you can grab these and then you can sell them. Gonna like disappear if I don't hold it. Then boom, that's how you get it. That's how you get it. And then you're gonna go up here. Like,
I'm half.
and then you're gonna do this. I prefer you to do this. Like you do this. Here. Then like oh shoot. And then like yeah, you're all good.
I'm out.
And that's how you do it, guys. Joe, where you at? And then like